Knock on the door.
Joey, please, please,
Come on, go up there.
knock my door.
You go knock on the door with your hands. Good girl.
Knock my door. At Beth. At Beth. Where are you? At Beth, where are you? At Beth. At Beth. At Beth.
Want to do this? You lost your candy. It's on the ground. I'm sorry. Zoe, that's enough. That's enough. No, 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 no.
Hi, darling. How are you?
Say trick or treat. Say thank you.
There you go. You give one to your grandma and grandpa.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, you
Oh, okay. Oh, boy.
Come on, Zoe.
Sure. Uh-huh. Here you go. Bye, Bumblebee.
Say bye-bye. Say thank you. She'll get it eventually.